Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to upload bulk user pictures in Moodle. This process will save you time and ensure all user profiles have their respective pictures. Let's get started. First, ensure that all your image files are correctly named and saved in a single folder. The image files should be named after the username, the ID number, or the ID of the student, along with the correct image file extension. For example, a student with the username Jasm would have a picture called jasmy.jpg. Image types supported include GIF, JPG, and PNG. Image file names are not case sensitive. Once your images are named correctly, zip the folder containing all the images. Right-click on the folder and compress it to a zip file. Now, let's upload the images to Moodle. Click on Site Administration in the navigation menu. Under the Users tab, click on Upload User Pictures. Click on Choose a File and select the zip file containing your user pictures. Ensure that the Match field is set to Username if your images are named with usernames. If they are named with user IDs, select ID number. Click on Upload User Pictures. Moodle will process the zip file and update the user profiles with the corresponding pictures. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded user pictures in bulk to Moodle. Finally, let's verify that the pictures have been uploaded correctly. Navigate to the users list. Go to Site Administration, Users, Accounts, Browse List of Users. Click on a user profile to ensure that the picture has been updated correctly. This method is efficient and ensures that all user profiles are updated with the correct pictures. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.